Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl TheKeyisME and I am back again with another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you some bundles that I received from Mercy Hair Extensions. They reached out to me and wanted me to review some of their hair, and of course I said yes because I love kinky curly hair. I'm natural, so of course I would like kinky curly hair. The hair that I have in now is the Mongolian, I think I was in it right, Mongolian kinky curly hair extensions. They sent me two 18s, one 16-inch and a 16-inch frontal. This is the first time I've ever did a frontal, and I sewed this down and made an actual unit, a wig out of it. And this is the first time I've ever did a frontal. So I did bleach my knots on my frontal. And as you can see, the hair is absolutely gorgeous. It's thick. The hair is damp. I put some Eco Styler gel on it to go ahead and clump the curls in. But the hair is damp. This is the hair. I only used the 18-inch. Of course I used the frontal, and then I used the 18-inch, and I barely use the 16-inch. Honestly, this hair is so thick, you guys. There was no way I could put a full 2 bundles, let alone 3. That would have been way too much hair. As you can see, I put some clips in here so you can see how it looked before I even put water and gel on it. Extremely big hair. So if you don't like big hair, this hair would not be for you. Again, this is the first time I've ever did a frontal. This is the first time I ever wore a frontal, actually. Now, I did experience shedding, and that's honestly probably because I plucked my frontal. So that's probably why I experienced a lot of shedding. And plus, it's natural hair. You know that natural hair sheds. But as you can see, I had to go in and define the curls. I use water in a spray bottle. I use leave-in conditioner, whatever leave-in conditioner you would like. It really doesn't matter. I also used Eco Styler gel, and I used the one with the green, the one in the green top, which is the olive oil Eco Styler gel. Now, to put my wig on, my wig is kind of secure already because I put an elastic band. I sewed an elastic band on the wig, but I also used some Gots to Be Glued Ultra Styling Gel, as well as the Gots to Be Glued Free Spray, and that's what I did to put it on. When I received the hair, of course, I pre-washed it. I co-washed it, and I co-washed it with just conditioner. It didn't really need any shampoo. It didn't have a smell to it. It came packaged, of course, with a manual that shows you how to care for the hair and what products will be best used for the hair. So that's something you can utilize if you're not used to dealing with hair like this. Honestly, if I was to do this wig all over, I would not use the frontal. And it may be because I'm not a frontal type of girl, and this is my first frontal. I wanted to try it out. And what other way to try it when a company is willing to give it to you to review. I just feel like with curly hair, maybe it doesn't work as good unless you pluck most of all of your hair out. And honestly, guys, plucking takes a very long time. So I'm thinking that maybe when it comes to curly hair, you kind of got to flatten it out at the top and around the parting area, or it's going to be thick. And I think that's what I'm experiencing now. The hair itself is gorgeous. The frontal is just very, very thick. And that's kind of not the style that I was going for, but the hair is absolutely gorgeous. And to some people, again, everybody is different. So to some people, it may be okay that the frontal is this thick. Definitely put all of the information down in the description box, as well as their social media links, so you can go and check out some pictures. If this review doesn't do you any justice, you can go check out pictures from other people around the world that have purchased hair from them before. Thank you for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.
Tell me what you want.